Hey you, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Stock Market. I am Mr. Lamchaneygurung, and trust me, today I am so happy and relieved at the same time with the vaccine news finally coming out today. Trust me, it is about time, and the stock market was no different as well, because we had a massive green day today. Not that green day, but this green day. Okay. I also have some huge news today about Workhorse stock. Now, some of you might have already known that today we had a Workhorse earnings report. We do have Hyliion next, that's on 12th of November, and Neo is on 17th of November, which is coming up very soon. But today we had Q3 earnings on one of our beloved stock, Workhorse stock, and man, did they miss their earnings by a huge margin. Now, before we get into this earning thing, I would like to request you, if possible, please stay till this end of this video, as I will give you my reasons and opinion why I think you should not sell your Workhorse stock, not yet. Okay, plus please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash that like button, because trust me, it does mean a lot to me. And now, with that being said, let's commence our video with always think before you sing session. Okay, Workhorse, they did make their earnings of $564,707 in revenue, which is an annual increment of more than 14,000%, even though they missed their earnings today. Okay, but this is a lot better than what they had in the previous quarter. If you haven't already, please check the video out. I'll leave the link somewhere up over here. In their previous earnings, they did just $92,000. Okay, Workhorse also reported about $2.82 million in cost of goods sold and $7.56 million in operating expenses. This means that the company's interest expenses also jumped over 1100% along with their earnings. Okay, finally, Workhorse they registered a net loss of 84.13 million and an earnings share of negative $0.78, and currently Workhorse is in a deep red territory, and in the near future it is also expected to miss its previous guidance for Q4 2020 vehicle production of 300 to 400 units due to the pandemic, and of course a battery supply issue as well. But if we look at the company now, okay, from a long-term perspective, this company does have some unique products to offer, something that is very necessary in the near and upcoming future as well. We can definitely see use growth, and of course this growth will bring a lot of expenses altogether as well. But I think we have seen this in most, if not all, of the high growth startup companies. But once there is enough cash flow and supply and demand for its product, I don't see a reason why this company will come out on top once it's all said and done. And just like projected, and I think they can easily start making profits somewhere down to 2022 line. Of course, 2021 is going to be a recovery phase for most of these companies as well, but I think Workhorse, they can easily achieve profit area once they reach 2022 line with this current pace. Now, the company has another good news as well, a massive news as well. They received an order of 500 of its all-electrical C1000 delivery vehicles, and plus, as per the recent interview on the company's CFO, Workhorse currently has a back order of 1100 trucks, which is roughly about $70 million in revenue, and this definitely is not including the USPS deal. So they have a massive back order already in place as well. Now, today the investors, they reacted positively to this news, and they completely ignored the earnings report. and Workhorse was up more than 9% at the end of the trading hours today. And of course they would rather be after this company, as it still has a massive potential, and I think it is still at a great price at the minute. Okay, now think about it. If you are planning to sell your Workhorse stock, think about this. American election finally out of the way. All that saga finally out of the way. The market is recovering. All those recovery stocks, cruise lines, airplane industries, aviation industries, they are recovering like anything. Second stimulus check is closer than ever. And Biden plus, he always pushes towards green energy, green supply, saving the environment and all this thing as well. And another thing is, above all of this, we still have a hype about the USPSD. Now think about it. December is right around the corner, okay? And the USPS contract deal hype will once again reignite, and investors, shareholders, they will go crazy like anything. Of course, even if you are investing as a short-term investor, I think it's still a really nice Christmas gift wrapped in a really nice Christmas gift box as well. If anything, I think it's a great chance to enter now and to double or even triple your investments in a short period of time. And if you are in for a long term, I think it has more than massive potential to go to the upside. So if anything, I would not sell my Workhorse stock, not yet, not at this price. Okay, I will let you know if I sell any of my Workhorse stock. Now, with that being said, it's your money. I am not a professional finance advisor. You can do anything with your money. You can go party, you can go drink, you can buy more of this stock, you can buy more of Amazon stock. I can't tell you what you need to do with your money, but what I can tell you is always think before you sink. Goodbye, my friends.